My name is Sienna. I'd like to introduce you to Webster House, a residence for girls here at Sunset College. Webster House opened in 1991 and is named in honor of the Webster family, who have been supporters of Sunset College for over 100 years. Right now, the residence is home to girls from grades 7 to 11, but with a new junior residence currently under construction, it will be for older girls starting in the fall of 2023. Let's have a look inside. Our first stop is the Office for the Teacher on Duty, or TOD. The TOD comes by for room inspection every day and supervises study time in the evening. She's also here to offer assistance or sometimes just to be a friendly adult the girls can talk to. The apartments for the house director and assistant house director are attached to the residence, and they are always available to support as well. It's like having extra moms in the house when you need them. Another common area is the lounge. This is where the girls come to watch television, play music or board games, or simply hang out with friends. As in every home, we have a space for food, a small kitchen where we share a fridge, a microwave, and some tables. And even though we can take our laundry once a week to be done, we also have a laundry area, which is very convenient. Now let's go to our rooms. The girls share a bedroom with a roommate, oftentimes someone from another country. Each of us have a desk, a closet, and storage. We love to decorate and personalize our side of the room and hang our favorite things around. There is a shared bathroom between two rooms, and we all take care of our spaces, not only for ourselves, but also because those are the school expectations. Living in Webster House is a great way to make friends with girls from all around the world. We all come together for house activities and in fun competitions against the other houses. It's a real sisterhood, unlike anything else you've ever experienced. And that's Webster House. I hope you've enjoyed the tour. If you have any questions, contact our admissions team.